But everyone's attention spans just got lesser and lesser and lesser and lesser. So what these platforms realized was, and it's almost like a cycle, right? It's kind of like markets almost, where it started out with long form, then everyone went towards the short form, kind of vision. So like everyone kept doing short form. Then they kind of hit a trough. So now they're trying to chase long form again. Yeah. And then eventually what will happen is there will be too much long form, too many ads. And then one platform will come out where we'll, hey, no more, cut this out, back to short form. So it is cyclical. I mean, these changes will always happen. New functionalities will come out on the app. But yeah, just don't forget to add value, regardless of if you're making short form for stories, YouTube shorts, TikTok, or you're making long form for playlist, training modules, whatever it may be. Just add value. Make sure your words have importance. Like, don't just talk for the sake of talking.